Hello students, in this tutorial we will see how to create menus in HTML. As we see here, this page we have created in the last tutorial. In this we see how to divide the page into number of divisions. As we can see here, we are dividing the page into 3 divisions or 3 subsections. This is header, this is sidebar, and this is container. Now in this video we will see how to add main menus inside this header division and some sidebar menus. So let's start. Inside header I am using some list tag. I am using unordered list here. For creating menus, I am using here unordered list with list items. We create some 4-5 menus, for example. So I am using here four to 5 li tags I am using here. First I want home, then some products. Give your menus as per your choice. I am giving just sample. Login. If I run, then I see the list items like this, but I want this in same single line. So I use UL tag for styling. I want to give border to this UL tag. After all work, I remove this border. So this is the UL. Now, for understanding purpose, where the UL is, I am giving border, then li. I want to display inline elements. So this is inline effect of li tag. Then I am giving border to this also, so we can understand. For understanding purpose only, I am giving the borders. After finishing, I am removing this border. Then I want to give some spacing inside the li tag. So we know for spacing between border and content, we use padding. And this is, now I am removing the border of this UL don't want border. I'm saving. And this is. Then I can give padding left, it's 20 pixel, and padding right 30 pixel, 30 pixel. So my page looks like this. I'm adding some styles like font, family, and font size. Font size is 20 pixels. If I want more padding, then I can do this also. Again, if I want some margin at the top, then I give margin. Margin at top, suppose 10 pixel. Give this effect to here. Then again, if I want margin between or space between each two li tag, then I give margin left. So this is the margin left effect. So in this way you can create your menus. Then if I want some box shadow effect, say 5 pixel or 8 pixel, 8 pixel, 20 pixel, black. This is the shadow effect. Then we add some background color. background color to light green. Now I am removing the border. And see how it looks. If I want to add some extra then we can add in this way. Now if I want some mouse hold effect, then I'm using I'm reducing some margin. It's 20. Okay. Then I want some mouse hold effect. So I'm using LIF hover effect, and I want to change the background green. You may give whatever you want, and the color of text as white. And this is the effect. We can also change the box shadow effect. So we can change the box shadow effect as well. We can give our background as green and hover effect as blue. You may give whatever you want. So this is our menus. We can give circular borders as well. Border radius to 20 or 30 pixels. So these are our menus. These are our main menus, and if I want some sidebar menus, then we can do this. Say I am copy pasting this here in sidebar division. But here we want the list items. to give these styles